spring is coming. So that actually means allergy season, and it also means cleaning season. Here are some tips you can use right now to get ready for it.
So when it comes to spring cleaning, I want to share with you my FAVE tips. F, this is your furnace filter. You need to change this every season, according to the EPA. So that's once every 3 months. Next is A, you want to be using a portable air purifier. This is so important now. It's also going to get gases, chemicals, and odors out of the air that you're breathing. B, you want to vacuum with a HEPA vacuum filter, preferably an airtight container with a bagless vacuum. And finally, E, you want to eliminate dust at the source by damp dusting and wet mopping. This will actually get the dust out. So there you have it, FAVE, my 4 FAVE tips that'll help you with spring cleaning.